This event you are witnessing today is the celebration of a milestone by the Nigerian Air Force, having achieved 60 years for the establishment of the Nigerian Air Force. It has afforded us a lot of opportunity to mix off with the air forces of other African countries, as well as the world, as you can see from what is taking place. We leverage this relationship to improve on the capacity of the Nigerian Air Force.
For me and for us all, this is very exciting to see international community partnering with the Nigerian Air Force on this very auspicious occasion. I think it's a good development, and we intend to continue to improve on this. This is just one of the beginnings we're doing. Other ones will continue to do and partner. We know the challenges we're facing now, no nation can handle it alone. So we need to joint effort, combine effort together, and we'll continue to do that. So it's a privilege.
I am highly honored to welcome you all to the 4th African Air Forces Forum, organized as part of the activities to mark the 60th anniversary of Nigerian Air Force. I am particularly delighted to welcome our guests of honor, foreign dignitaries, and distinguished invited guests that have traveled from far and wide to be part of this landmark event.
Been a fantastic forum. Really enjoyed our time over here, and we look forward to the next one.
A really wonderful platform and opportunity to meet industry players and really connect with the air forces.
And for me, the program came across as a well thought out program.
The forum so far has been great. Met a lot of new people, many new connections.
I've had a very nice